mother was Scottish, my grandmother was French, my great-grandmother was German. So, you know, I've got lots of different influences in my life. I was brought up in a quite bohemian family. My dad was a musician and my uncle was a musician. My mother was a textile artist and my great-grandfather was a clown. I always loved a Mini. They were just so cool, and so my first car was a Mini and it was my favourite thing. I had it for years. I absolutely loved it. What was so fantastic with Mini is that their palette was very similar to my palette. Sometimes if people ask me to do something, it can take me weeks, but this didn't. I drew a sketch of country and city coming together and this idea of how our cities could be very different, cleaner air, the sounds will change. When people come in the morning, they're uplifted. And so it's as simple as that. It's about making people feel that they're important as well, and there's care taken making the work as well.